This is a pass and move special here at Gwanda Pelandaba Stadium. It's Gwanda Pirates taking on Shesham in the top of the table clash. Pass and move special proudly brought to you by Ipena Foods, our number one sponsor. My brother shop.
Right, how far?
I'm nice. Ubona njani game namuhla?
I'm suspecting some tension because it's a tough game. I think it's gonna be a draw or something. Because Gwanda Pirates is very hard at the moment, and Shisham is some big team. So I'm suspecting it's gonna be a draw. Because at this moment, Gwanda Pirates is a very, very big team, and it's really, really hard for
So you expect a draw?
yes.
0-0.
1-1. Yes. For it to be fun, it's gonna be a 1-1 game.
Okay, sharp my brother. Ubona njani game namuhla?
Hayi game ngibona ni crucial game le mntana. So i-best result is a draw.
0-0.
Draw.
Score and draw.
1-1.
1-1.
Yes.
Sharp my brother. Sharp.
Angishabu kakhulu mina.
Ngiyakhulumela phezulu ungayisabi.
Oh, angishabu.
Ubona njani game namuhla?
Namhla kuzonyiwa. Lezi ku top 300. Hayi kusifiwa la.
What's your prediction?
Mbona ngani i-home team vele favorite. I-home team vele izakwanisa ukuwina
Ngayi.
ngama-fans. Enxe 2-1.
2-1.
2-1. Sharp.
My brother.
Radikyo.
Sharp na skipper.
Akula.
Ubona njani game namuhla?
Namhla kuyabe kulithi lapha, kuyabe kuchisa.
Ikungihamba ngeBF.
Hayi kuhambanga. Ngizovukela iGP le Shesham.
Ce prediction bro. Ce prediction.
Like
Ziyadlala njani?
lapha kwase kudraw la. Akunzima.
Ubona i-draw.
Hayi ngibona draw. Umbe iGP yawina.
Unofuna iphi win?
Hayi GP.
Nice one my brother.
Obvious. Sisuke lapha siyasutha.
Brother Sharp.
Ngisharp kiwa zithini?
I'm nice. Ubona njani game namuhla?
Yayi game namhla inzima but hayi sethemba iGP zasenzela ukuzasichaza ngoba hayi lapha kungikhaya kusemajawundeni. Akuphunywa la.
Ngizoba besithi asindawo kuyasuthwa la kutshoni.
Siyasutha lapha vela lapha i-team level ungakhangela anti kungapha eGwanda. Siyadla siyasutha la. Hayi
vela unidi ukuthi ukhulume ngakubona.
hayi la uyazibonela nje ukuthi hayi lapha ngiyadla ngiyasutha. Iyona ibizo le team sifuna ukuyitshintsha ibe iyadla FC.
Sharp my brother. Mtoptala njani?
Yampila yini right?
Amna sharp mtoptala. Gwanda Pirates versus Shesham. Ubona njani game namuhla?
Hayi game namhla Gwanda iphezulu kwakhe. Hayi siyawushaya ukishesham lo. Sikukhangeli vele siyawushaya kuvi.
Score line.
Iscore line 3-1.
3-1.
In favor of Gwanda Pirates.
Asibonane khona after Bora Sport ke badlala ngoma.
Anjo phela. Hayi siyaphumelela mzawa.
Sharp mtala. My brother.
Eburi
Zithin.
amnandi.
Ngicela prediction ubona njani game namuhla?
Hayi game namhla silanda ukuzodla abantu lapha. Isikoleni wasesibhekile vele sifuna 2-0.
2-0. Baro hlohlayo.
Kuyahlohla umfana wethu lo istriker bathi mbani lo udu Mbonyeni Mbonyeni ngese ngabe simthembile ukuthi engasifakela i2Z phambili.
Nice one my brother.
Igame le iphela okwanamhlanje i2-0.
Awunjani ivuvuzela mbonto njengoba lesithi liyasutha mbonto la usutha.
Lapha mtaka vele kuyakhanza. Pirates.
Connect my brother.
Eta TV sithini lapha.
Fresh abingelela ababukeli mjana.
What's up everybody? It's your boy Junior Kanet aka Ntwana Sempumalanga, Mr. Rundebele, the CEO. Lapha ePhelandaba Stadium uzobukela number 3 West Central Region Division 1 which is Gwanda Pirates le Shesham FC. Yeah.
Ngangicheka mbona ama team lapha asengene sechaya i-warm up ngokubona kwakho but just looking at the warm ups ubona ngani yiphi ngani i-red.
Dala abantu laba bonke bakhanya be determined ukuzowina lapha so ngesindebele zethu izindala zombili chiki lo bhanqa but inganika nje edge yami to Gwanda Pirates because base home advantage and le community will ukuzoba supporter ukuthi you know bezama ukwenza okungcono. And I'm sure ukuthi asababalele ukuthi nje ba add ama numbers. I'm sure lawo they stand a chance nje ukuthi bengawina this game, they stand a chance ukuthi beqalisa ukushouta kuma title aspirations and stuff. So I will give this one to Gwanda Pirates.
Oyesiyabona kulo table number 3 laphana bachiwe nge-12 points bengawena bavala igap to 9 points. Nxa ngiyacheck ama-fans is building up nicely. IGwanda is alive today.
Dala konke from ema-bus stop erenkini konke lapha esihamba khona entrance phandle ukuthi nje sesiphakathi, but even phandle you can see atmosphere ukuthi abantu lapha balande ukuzobona iGwanda Pirates winner, and yikho nje I think ozabanika i-edge nje egemini le.
Let's wait for the game to begin. Maybe singabalela ke singathola maybe ama-coaches sizwe ukuthi bathini maybe from both sides sizwe ukuthi igame mhlaba ibona njani.
Yes, asibalinde ama-coach, and then I think igame le izabayibhoma nje kuzaba mnandi.
We're hoping for the best, eh?
Hoping for the best, sir.
Nice one, my brother.
Ngishapu njani?
Amna ngiswi Skipani.
Ayakudla.
Gwanda Pirates versus Shesha mibona njani igame namhla?
Ey. Mina ngibona 2-1.
Bari Shesha.
Obvious umbonisi. One goal. And the other goal might come from Militao.
Bese sticky usizwa uvumelana my sister.
Ngivumelana naye.
Ubona njani namhla?
2-1 or 3-1. Sawi.
My brother ula ukuhlohla uvumelana naye futhi.
Ngivumelana naye.
Sakala my brother.
Sure hambani.
Fresh. Ibona nje igame namhla?
Hayi game namhla, it's a tough and a big game. Into ezayenzakala la. No, I'm sure the boys are ready, and the boys are going to destroy Amabilita. Whatever the builders have been building on along, today you are demolishing everything. Siyadiliza yonke into. Want to demolish everything. We want to destroy them actually. Sifuna ukuthi vele singabaniki peace.
Labahlohla uvumelana my sister?
Abahlohlayo very obvious. Our main point, our main expecter Umbonisi must score at least 2 goals, because vele sifuna ukuthi game league isaphela abe top goal scorer. One or the other vele today GP win. It's a must.
My brother?
Tada.
Zithini?
Angikrendi mina hambani.
Namhla uchilile indawo.
Angithilanga. Ngifuna ukutshela into ekhona namhlanje. Uyabona iGP size siyele eKweru. Sabadla 3-0 labantu nge-25 minutes sasesihlohle 3 baziyala zonke. Namhlanje siyaziphindi 3-0 leziyana. Akula 3-1, akula 2-1. Akula 1-1. 3-0.
Barohlohlayo.
Umbonisi uzohlohla 2, Kateweru yahlohla 1. Urefu uzoyenza i-order vele yonke into izoba mnandi. But i-terrace uyenza ulicheck uzolibona. Hayi i-terrace niyavungama vele niyafika eSoweto.
Ke ku live. So ahlanganeni after Boras Point awufa. Shama jida. Shama mama.
Bra.
Skipani.
Mnandi mina khambani.
Fresh ubona njani igame namhla?
Ya igame namhla i-tight. Mangithi ngiyachecka mina ngesingama ngithi. Ya ngibonani kuzoba yi-1-0.
Iphe wena
in favor of Shesha. Serious into lapho engicabanga engiyibonayo. Yeah, because bona abafightela for i-championship, you understand. So vele they've nothing ukuthi bengayiluza namhlanje. So they need all 3 points at all cost.
Nice one my brother. Hlangana after Boras Point awufa. Sharp. Sesilo coach laba coach weGwanda Pirates Johannes Ngozo. Coach.
Sanibona nabafowethu ninjani abafowethu?
Sharp coach Arozi livakatshile namhla hope team iza ngcono, but otherwise ukhayile ubona njani igame namhla?
Yeah, igame namhla is not an easy game, but he featured the sila at the corner ucalendar yethu, so sesikwazi ilanga lakhona selifikile, but ilanga lakho selifikile. So akulanto esingayenza, akulanto esingayivika, we need to go there and compete laba kuphela.
How ready is the team?
Yeah, team yethu ready. They need to give you respect Shesha muthi so for into abazenzayo sebehambe ama games amaningi, especially first half awuna ama games amaningi. But thina that we are there, we league there, we are not there to maybe so at the numbers, we are there to compete. So bengacabanga ukuthi uzaba the easy game, we are there to compete. So it's not asoze kube easy, but sikhona khona abanekhala let's compete lapho.
Thank you so much coach. Akulo kuningi, wish you good luck.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much coach.
Right, right here we are joined by the Shesham coach, Mr. Prince Matore. Coach, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Yes, about today's game, what's your assessment of Gwanda Pirates' strengths and weaknesses, and how do you plan to exploit them?
Gwanda is a strong team, and they've been doing well, and they've never lost at home to other teams, so we respect them. They are a good team.
All right. And then, so how do you maintain your team's focus and momentum, given, your position on the log? I mean, all eyes are on you, you're on top of the log.
Yeah, we know we are on top of the log and everyone is looking for our head. So what is important is to just keep on trying hard. We try to do well. Lady like if we get points, we'll be happy.
And how did you motivate the boys today? How is the dressing room like, the mood?
I think now there's no time to motivate them. They are motivated because from game one they've been doing well. So what is important is for them to just try their best.
I know, we wish you all the best, coach.
Thank you.
Good luck, coach.
Thank you.
Mkoma murisei?
Ndiri zvakadi.
Inda wakatsama uri pamusoro peluku.
Aiwa kana uchipinda muzvibhakera utofari. Utopinda wakashinga.
Paradhazi ura sei game ranhasi?
Aiwa game ranhasi takatotora masports.
Mwiri wangani kwana?
Yeah. Zvatiri kuda kuita so. First half time todaenda tine 1. Then tadzoka tova pa 1. Saka tine 2-1.
2-1. Munavhumira wagoise 1.
Sevatonga pawo chemusha.
All right, bomb cover.
Yanditika.
Good luck.
Sharp sharp.
Hauna kundipa problem. Zese zirufamba. Uriona se game ranhasi?
Aiwa, at Chipang. One of those games of the season. Yeah, one of the fixtures everyone is waiting for. We look forward to a very good game.
Can you give me a prediction?
I think Shesham will prevail 1-0.
1-0.
Just like the reverse fixture.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Good luck.
Sharp, thank you.
Sharp, my brother. Sharp. Mkoma David.
Abara mtaramba boy.
Zese bo. Mkoma ngo David.
Tiri bo murisei.
Ndiri bo. Urora se game ranhasi Shesham versus Gwanda.
Returns. Totaura rapera bhora mutambo baba.
But prediction urona kana uchiona muone wako yo.
Tobuda 2-1.
2-1. Ndiara goes.
Manzungu.
Mkoma ngo urora se game ranhasi.
Bo mtara tamira sei. Bhora nasi win obvious. Tongora 1-0 yatakavara pa gwero apa.
Ndiara goes.
Manzungu 1-0 win.
Manzungu akaipa nemukoma kandipa Manzungu.
Manzungu anopedza 1-0 win.
Erbo plus.
Salo bora.
Bora. Tona after bora. Bo. Orora ufuweza uqila nje. Mkoma Debi.
Makadi zweni.
Ndiri bo. Ura se game ranhasi.
Game ranhasi ndiri ku expect 3-1.
3-1.
Shesham win.
Ndiana goes.
Anogowesa. Widzo.
Mkoma kundepi?
Right.
Ura se game ranhasi.
Game ranhasi ndiri kuona soti 2-1.
2-1. Ndiana goes apa Shesham.
Ndiri kuona achigoesa apa Shesham ndi Widzo.
Yeah. Oh mukoma. Sharp. Mother Ndebi.
Makadi yenyu.
Ndiri bo. Ura se game ranhasi.
Aiwa game ranhasi iri kundifadza nekuti tori newini kudhara. Shesham bora.
Munoona ngani?
3-0.
Ndiana goes.
Madzungu 2 Gabu.
Unobuda. Ura se game ranhasi. Ura se game ranhasi.
Game ranhasi rakafita kunakidza.
Munoona ngani?
Toina 2-0.
Ndiana goes.
Madzungu brace.
Right, we are live at Pelandaba Stadium. This is Gwanda Pirates versus Shasham United. It's actually Shasham FC. Number 1 or number 3, go look, LS Central Region Division 1. Actually, we won a game so far.
Gwanda, I'm very much impressed with left back, the centre back, Gwanda, the one wearing number 38, left back, the number 8, the one who's playing central defense, they're out of the defense. Then up front, Gwanda Pirates has missed 2 clear-cut chances, not 2 1v1s, bruh. They should, yeah, it's actually 3. They should have been maybe 3 up by now.
So, ubona ngani igame le kusiya ku second half ngoba nozabuye etshintshile or ama teams kumele work on in kahle kahle. For example, Shasham FC sibonile ukuthi ayifikanga kakhulu egedini le Gwanda Pirates in terms of attack. Engafika nje iGwanda Pirates ngani they are solid in their defense. What do they need to improve?
I think from Shasham ngingazi lokuzeni ibench labo ukuthi lime njani, but creativity, they lack creativity in the middle of the park, whereby we see Uti Gwanda Pirates is dominating. There's the guy who's wearing number 99, like Fishan, the one who's Toko Palki, so is giving them a torrid time in the middle of the park. That's why you see they're creating a lot of chances. So if they've got maybe a creative midfielder, a creative midfielder, maybe yes, maybe creativity going up front. But for Gwanda Pirates, I don't think Johannes Ngozo has much to change. Just to motivate and make sure up front, but you understand, they just make sure they take up their chances. Because they are creating chances. They've set pieces, utilize set pieces, but so in terms of Gwanda Pirates, I don't think they have to change much. You understand? It's just motivated. Guys, make sure that you take up your chances. Then about the first 15 minutes, na go have time. First 15 minutes, if ever going to change, maybe any benching, saying a tour. But yes, is giving them
so this is a light moment. Even in nature, yadlala iro egaming. Ngakayela kathesi ukhipha weShasham lapha igede yabe kulo leli sekhayelane lelanga. Yes. Selizabe limpandla. So njengabantu esakhula sidlala no even esikhokweni ukwazi ukuthi singajama bhora phezulu ngokhiphe ekhaya lokulelanga khona akasaboni kuhle. Do you think ukuthi kungaba ngokunye kuyi added advantage nyana for Gwanda Pirates' own team?
I think it's high time because who want to put ngama 1v1 kade sebengashuta maybe ngaba advantage and ngasikhanyele this is beautiful to see. This is beautiful. The ground is fully packed. What else do you want? What else would you ask for as a player playing in such a beautiful atmosphere? In terms of Gwanda Pirates, man, they should give these fans something to celebrate. I think they deserve it.
But is it safe to say this is the game of a season? All right, as far as so far since also unika Shasham ama chances anganani ukuthi ngathatha this title given a draw le Gwanda Pirates and la kade zingana zenze kuhle recently yona lead ama points amaningi.
I think 6 games, there's still so much to play for. If Shasham they maintain, they don't lose this game, because if they lose this game, you be gain a point, which means you have lead 2 points. Shasham, so Shasham is the press, but under unnecessary press. But if they can get something out of this game, I don't think being a loser. Yeah, I don't think being a loser. Being a chance of gain ABI. As for Gwanda Pirates, they're attracting these huge numbers. And the first season, they have a good division, one central region. I think Johannes Ngozo must be given his flowers. He has done so well. If Bengam Trina, Gwanda Pirates, next season, I think
different. Right, this is Pass and Move podcast at Depth 3 TV. We are live at Pelandaba Stadium. Sikava game Gwanda Pirates, le Shasham FC of Gweru. Kade siko half time, but sesimelele second half lapha sibonke kuza kuba njani. So stay tuned.
Pirates Fana. One bafana behind them, one bafana betilabo. Itime yafuni mut. Fana Pirates ngithi uthi asukela siyasutha lapha. Ngithi Pirates man amaket. Ngithi moya get lapha nje. Fana ungavumi. One change mi team ye drama, so team ye bora le. One Pirates team ye bora. Fana Ushu Pirates. Mageti Ushu asukela siyaguta la ngesona. Fana Pirates.
My brother, you see?
Hey, right there.
Na fresh. What is that game?
Pirates amageti straight. Pirates amageti very sikasisukira. Ngasutwa la. Ukuba phezulu akutshuta udleki sichayirisha shama. Asisukira akasutwa.
My brother.
How far Buddha?
I'm not correct.
Nami correct kakhulu ngephi kakhulu kodwa.
Correct ari game.
Hayi game le yani. Yiko sabayenza khona first round. And asenza kufihla basicina first round. But batshengisile ukuthi uyakwanda Pirates. Thina vele ngokwethu konke sikujwayele ukuwina. Team le iyakha kodwa yephi kakhulu akukho. Hayi kwanda Pirates le. First interview yami empilweni yami. Kukhuluma ukuthi kwanda Pirates iyakha. Siya ku number 1 ngenkani.
Balichayela inkosi phela yakhabisa.
Siyafika kuphela. Karesa kitchen izinja, ishita isahlalele. Siyafika kuphela bebokisi. Arsenal enjalo la futhi. Enjalo kodwa.
Ciao my brother.
Ciao.
Hayi baba.
Toto.
Solera.
Ebo.
My brother, Ribo.
Ebo, you say?
I want to say game.
Game bo. It was fair. Fair. Those don't wait up. It's a game of men.
Yeah. After this loss, do you think one Pambanisile or it's just another defeat?
For me, it's not a loss. It's a consolation for Shesha.
Thank you so much. Thanks, my brother. My brother Sharp.
Sharp in Cheng.
I'm not Sharp.
I came with Sharp. I was Sharp Style. Game kule win, kule draw, kule lose.
It's part of the game, yeah.
It's part of the game. Asinga zakethi ureflect kahle asinankinga. Aschayo. Kuyatholakala but kuleague siyangena.
Yiko bese vubuza ukuthi ngeluzile akuluphamba njengoba ibroking aniseduze.
Sipambanisekile kakhulu but hayi owerani athi lokho asikhulumi ngakho kakhulu but siyawina. Siyawina.
Sharp my brother. Jara, we were ready game.
Hayiwa bafana batamba
bo.
Tanga ukupa isempo ukuthi kana todzuka manje. Anditi. Ziwe ukuthi hayiwa nasi mangomu simdzame phenyi. Batokurova ijet.
Hayiwa isizwe media this is
hayiwa tani hayiwa atovarova.
That's all it
hayiwa temporary bo.
Mkoma wangu predicted 1-0 but it went the other side. How do you feel after the game?
Hayiwa no it was because I predicted a very tight game. Uganda Pirates were a good side. Even in the loss, we lost to a good side. We can't blame anyone. We put up a show. It wasn't enough yet. We lost to a better side.
But you tried your prediction.
Yeah, of course. It was a game of 5 matches.
Yeah. Ngoma.
Yes, sir.
Muruza say after a defeat.
No, we can't blame anyone. This was just a game of football. The better side won the game. That's it.
Yeah. But team yako uruona kuti munopinda kana kuti lose yari disturb pai.
Kana takapinda ni zero. We are not worried about getting into the Premiership. We are in the driving seat, so we don't need to be worried about anything. We are still there.
We are still in the race.
We are leading the race, not in the race. We are leading the race.
Yeah, I see that, but the loss itself won't it disturb the proceedings?
It just reduced our cushion. We are still 2 points ahead. So we are in the driving seat.
And that rock.
And I'm the driver.
And that rock is breathing heavily.
No.
Right, Minujani.
I'm not sure.
I came in fair. I have a fan of HGP by Saturday. To win.
So when I'm in the I pambanisi shesha between the young
ukungena lo ungangeni angikwazi but siyathabela ukuthi bawinile okukhaya kuphela.
Hayi ngiyabona uchayise Chilamwela ngicine ngale kuyi 1-1.
Yeah, mina ngwebhoso ngenkani.
Yeah, uyabonakala. Nice one, thanks my sister. Sharp.
It was in cool.
It was.
Yeah. So it ended Gwanda Pirates 1, Shasham 0. And as it stands, Shasham silita nge 2 points nje phezulu lapana, which means ukuthi this title race is far from over. Actually, it's going to the wire. Wona ucabanga ne game layers.
Yawazi Tay Friday mboni ya draw le lokuze. The manja 19 platinum. Azitshela ukuthi it's over. Ishesham iyabuya lapha izithathele 3 points, but what I witnessed here today is ngikutshelile nge half time lapha ukuthi ungozo kumele achieve team icontinue yenza ekuyenzayo, because at the back they were solid, middle of the park they were dominating, up front they were missing ama chances, but the second half iqalisa first 10-15 minutes ama chances abangana sketch, but you saw what happened. A chance, a difficult one. Umuntu eqeda ukukuda 3 umfana nonto ngumbonisi eqeda ukukuda 3 first half, he buried a beautiful goal, man. To send this stadium into a frenzy. I think it's going to be difficult from here for Ishesha, because he had drug Amboni, which is up in the